Good morning, students. Class 6. Today we explain exercise 4.6. Our topic is circle. You can see here circle. It is a simple closed curve. You always remember what is circle. It is a simple closed curve. It is a circle. Now you see the parts of circle. First, circumference. Perimeter of circle. This is the outer part of circle and its is circumference. So the perimeter of circle is circumference. Third, arc. You see, this is arc. What is arc? The part of circumference. Part of circumference, that is PQ, is said to be arc. Next, radius. You can see in this figure, OA is the radius. Then how we define it? The line segment joining from center to circumference. The distance between center to circle is radius, or OA, OB is the radius. OA and OB is the radius. What is OA and OB? The distance from center to circumference is radius. Next topic is chord. What is chord? The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Example, CD is chord. You can see C and D are 2 points. When we join, they will make a chord. So chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference or on the circle. So it is clear? Chord is clear. Now next topic is diameter. It is the greatest chord passing through center. You can see it. AB is a chord. It is the greatest chord because it passes through the center. So chord is a line segment and diameter is a line segment, or diameter is a chord that passes through the center of the circle, and it is the greatest chord. So you see, AB is the greatest chord and AB is written in the form of OA plus OB. You write in this way: AB is equal to OA plus OB. AB is the diameter, that is D. OA is the radius R. OB is also radius. So D equal to R plus R is 2R. So R equal to, therefore R is equal to D by 2. Means radius is the half of diameter and diameter is the twice of radius. So this concept is clear. Next topic is sector. What is sector? The region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other 2 sides is called a sector. You can see in this figure, this is the sector and it is said to be radius sector. So it is the region between radii and what? This is said to be arc. In short way, you can say area between radii and arc. Area between radii and arc, or region between radii and arc, is said to be sector. It is also said to be radius sector. Sector is always formed with the help of radius. Next topic is segment. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by chord and an arc is called a segment of the circle. You can see it is a circle. CD is a chord and this is a arc. So the region between chord and arc is said to be segment. This shaded portion is said to be segment. In short way, we can see that the area between chord and arc is segment, or the region between arc and chord is segment. So this topic is clear. Now you see exercise 4.6. Many questions are given. You see question first. From the figure identify the center of a circle, 3 radii, a diameter, a chord, 2 points in the interior, a point in the exterior, a sector, a segment. All are given in this figure. Interior means the point inside the triangle and exterior means the point outside the circle, and on the circle means A, B, E, D, C, all points are on the circle. So there are three parts of the circle. One part is inside, other part is outside, and third part is on the circle. There are three places: inside, outside, and on the circle. Interior, exterior, and on the circle. So question 1, you see the figure and do all questions, very simple. Similarly, question 2, is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Similarly, question number 3, draw any circle and mark. You draw a circle with the help of compass and indicate where is center, where is diameter, where is radius, where is interior point, exterior point, all things. And last question is true and false. You do yourself. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. The center of a circle is always in its interior. All questions you will do yourself. Thank you for this class.